Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to turn the volume down or volume up on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on touch. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Next, you can choose between double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap and then scroll down. And from here, you can assign double tap to press on the volume down or volume up key. So here you can see if I double tap, that will increase the volume, or you can choose to press the volume down. So every time I double tap, that will decrease the volume. So here, if I double tap, that will slowly decrease the volume. And you can also set triple tap to volume up and double tap to volume down. So that's up to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.